We'll guide you through how to deactivate your Facebook account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Facebook app on your mobile phone and log into your account. Once you're in, click on the three lines at the top left corner, and then a tab will appear. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. Find and click on Personal Details under Account Center. Go down to Manage Accounts. Then a Manage button will appear. Press that, and you will see the Deactivation and Deletion option. Click on it. And then you'll see the option to Deactivate Account. Choose this option and then click Continue. Facebook will ask for your password. Enter it and hit Continue. After clicking Continue, they will ask the reason for your deactivation. Choose a reason and continue. You will proceed to the next page, and you need to choose for how long you will have your account deactivated. After this, Facebook will also prompt you if you want to continue using Messenger. Choose your option, and once done, just click Deactivate My Account. The app will load and inform you that your account is already deactivated. And that's it.